Today is day 4 of our 100-day ukulele challenge, and I am going to play one of my favorite songs, Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. And this is the first song I learned on ukulele from Cynthia Lin's tutorials. So here we go. And I'm going to take it nice and slow and focus on the chords and on the strumming. This morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright." That's it.